Hey everyone, today I'm going to be explaining how to check the CVV number for your Bajaj EMI card online. And I'm also going to be walking you through what to do if you can't see it. So first, simply open the Bajaj FinSave app or simply go to the Bajaj FinSave customer portal and sign in with your registered mobile number. So once you're logged in, you then have to head over to cards or EMI card section and select your active Bajaj EMI card. So if you have a virtual EMI card, you may see the option to view card details. So after verifying with an OTP, the CVV may be shown temporarily on the screen. But for physical cards, keep in mind that many of them don't have a visible CVV and aren't meant to be used like regular debit or credit cards. So if you don't see a CVV option at all, that's normal. In that case, simply use the card only on supported Bajaj FinSave partner sites or apps where CVV isn't required. And if you're still unsure, you can also try contacting Bajaj FinSave customer support directly for confirmation. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.